Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'm back again with another reaction video to the group SB19. This is Mappa, which is to me, this is a very emotional, soul felt, affectionate song that I think to me, this is one of their best vocal song and emotion songs to me ever. And let me just get started. Rata 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 rata. Song that Pablo. Over, they look good.
Kumusta na di na tayo laging nagkikita, miss na kita sobra. Lagi na lang kami ang nauuna, di ba pwedeng ikaw muna?
Oh, they came a long way.
Dahil ikaw ang aking
Come on, Stell.
sa tuwing mundo'y
Oh, they look good. They look good.
ang dahilan ng aking pahinga. Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata.
Pablo.
Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis mo sa labis ang iyong nagawa, mama. Pahinga muna, ako na.
Come on, sir.
Papa, naaalala mo pa ba? Nung ako'y bata pa, di ba? Aking puso yung hinanda sa mga bagay na buhay ang may dala. Dala ko ang iyong bawat payo.
Come on, vocalize in the back.
Magkalayo man tayo, ako'y tatayo. Pangako, tatay ko. Dahil ikaw ang aking papa. Sa tuwing ako'y
Love me some Ken.
Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Mas sa labis ang ginagawa, papa. Pahinga muna, ako na.
I'll live for this song.
Di ko na sasayangin pang mga natitirang pag.
Oh, their vocals.
Muna kung saan naroon.
They were vocally ready for this song.
Kahit na kailan pa may di mawa, wala pagkadala kong mapa. Saan man mapunta kung saan nagmula.
Oh no!
Huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang
Come on with a deep voice.
pahinga muna.
Oh, Ken.
Huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Sa labis ang ginagawa.
Okay, still.
Pahinga
Get them in the vocals too.
ako na. La-tara-tara, la-tara-tara, la-tara-tara,
What?
Mapa, pahinga muna,
Close it out.
ako na.
Perfect. That was good. That was good. good performance. They were in their vocal bag for this song and this performance. I believe this is the best song vocally for them. This is really, really, really good song. Really, really good song for them. Really good song. So good, so good. SB19, not disappointed. You guys are all vocally talented, very creative within your own rights. And I love the fact that this album, this new project you guys are doing, that they have creative control with it. So love it. They put their heart and soul into this song. I really do like this song. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Bye.